What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a great start to 2024. Let us know how your 2024 is going in those comment section below. I just want to talk to you guys a bit about Channel 7 has now added the IP channels along with Channel 9, SBS and ABC all have their own IP channels if you don't have an antenna, so which is quite cool. I don't know why Channel 10 hasn't joined this wagon, don't know why. But still, if you want to watch the Channel 10 IP channels, you have to open the app. However, with Channel 9, Channel 7, SBS, ABC, you don't have to open the app. It's all in your guide. You can just go to the channel, go to 207, 107, it's there via IP, pretty unique. Now, I'm just going to show you, first of all, the IP channels first, and then I'm going to show you basically the app. Okay, so first of all, we need to end this pause programming because we can't open the thing. So just tap on that foxtel button, and then we can just go into local channels, and then we want to just go over to local channel sources. Okay, so we'll just go to, just change this to IP so we don't get a copyright. So as you see, these are your IP channels currently. Now you can generally know which is IP because if there's an arrow, you can change it to IP, okay? As you see, if I can, I like to use the satellite version. As you know, there's no latency because if you use IP, it's about 30 seconds out, which can be a little bit annoying. But as you can see, you've got Channel 7, and you also got Channel 7 IP, which is kind of cool. Channel 10 hasn't joined this wagon yet, which is okay, which is a bit annoying actually. Then you got 7.2 IP, 7.8 is also IP as well. Obviously 7 Flix is IP and 7 Bravo is IP, so they're all IP, and as you know, you've got your Channel 9s that are in IP as well, which is kind of cool. So this really helps you guys out, especially if you're in an area that like you can't get reception or something like that. It'll all work off your based internet connection. Now I just want to tell you one thing that's a kind of annoying. Let me just pause the program. And I found this a little bit annoying. This is an update that happened around November. I haven't really posted about it yet, but I want to talk to you guys about it now. So basically how the IP used to work. It used to work based on your address with your Foxtel service, okay? It would work on the location based on your address, what you've got set up with Foxtel. But now what it's doing is tracking your IP address on your internet. Now, I'm not saying everyone has this issue, but with NBN, sometimes when you join different NBN providers, the server won't come from your capital city, okay? So for example, just say you live in Victoria and your server is saying Queensland. Now, some NBN providers do this, especially if you're joining Queensland ones, okay, or depending where the headquarters are, they generally have their IPs out of those headquarters. The only issue is, what's going to happen is before this update, obviously it wouldn't matter. You'd still get whatever your Foxtel address is, those local channels. But now it works off your IP. So if your IP is saying Queensland, you're going to have Queensland IP channels. However, the guide will not update. The guide will stay at your based location of where your box is. So that may be something you may find a little bit annoying because I found it very frustrating actually. When I was watching IP, I went, hang on a minute, this news isn't my state. What's going on? And it says it's Victoria, but it isn't. It's Queensland because it's working off your based IP. So that's something I just want to let you guys know about, is now it works off IP. So if your IP doesn't match your service address, it's not going to be the same broadcast, okay? It doesn't work off GPS, it just works off IP locator, okay? So that's one little annoying thing, and Foxtel doesn't update the guide for you. They don't do that. So yeah, that's one annoying thing I just want to talk to you about there. So other than that, to access those Channel 7 IP channels, same applies with Channel 9, you must have an account. Just make a 7 Plus account, they're very easy, free, there's about 3 steps, and then you can just open 7 Plus, but you don't actually need to open 7 Plus. As soon as you've made your account, basically those channels will work on the guide, okay? And basically this is Channel 7 Plus. You've got obviously extra channels in here that won't pop up on the Foxtel guide, but yeah, so now on your Foxtel box, you can now just go to the home screen, go into your guide, and all your Channel 7s will come up via IP. How cool is that? Let us know what you think down below. And I'll be doing a bit of a different video about this a little bit later throughout the month. Let us know down below what you think, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.